Hey everyone. Today I came to turn on my PS3 and now it doesn't work. I watched some other videos and coincidentally they're having the same exact problem because my Call of Duty Black Ops 2 is stuck in here. And I was just watching another guy's video and he just said his Call of Duty Black Ops 2 was stuck in there, and he knows a whole bunch of other people on YouTube that have their Call of Duty Black Ops 2 in there and it's not working also. And um, see what happened before this is I'd start playing I put the game in. When it was loading up to the home screen where you choose what you want to do, like YouTube, the game, or whatever, um, it shut off. So yes, I'd go back, I'd turn it back on, and then it'd be fine until I go and try to do the same thing again. But now this is what happens: yellow, and then flashes, and I'll click it again, and it'll just stay red. I mean, it's obviously broken now, and Black Ops 2 is stuck in there. So if you know what's going on, thanks.